హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు ఫిలిం ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ కౌన్సిల్. నేను మీ కావ్య. సో ఇవాళ నాతో పాటు ఒక విలన్ ఉన్నారండి. ఆ విలన్ ఇప్పుడు హీరోగా మారబోతున్నారు. ఆ విలన్ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే ఎంత చెప్పినా తక్కువ. ఎందుకంటే ఆయన కెరీర్ స్టార్ట్ చేయక ముందే హీరో అయిపోయారు. ఎందుకంటే ఆయన తీసుకున్న డెసిషన్స్ అలాంటివి. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం మాట్లాడబోతున్నాం. ఠాగూర్ అనూప్ సింగ్ గారు ఉన్నారు. సో ఇంకేమాత్రం ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా అన్ని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. సో ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ ఆయన విలన్, బట్ రియల్ లైఫ్ లో ఎలా ఉంటారు, ఆయన టేస్ట్లు ఏంటి, ఆయన ఇష్టాలేంటి అన్ని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్.
నమస్కారం.
అబ్బా వావ్, నమస్కారం.
కొంచెం
అసలు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు నమస్కారం అని ఇంత తెలుగు ఇంత పద్ధతిగా చెప్తారని. ఎస్ అనూప్, హౌ ఆర్ యు?
Very good with all the love of the audience, doing very well. Thank you so much.
Yes, so recently we have seen an update like సింగం 3 లో మీరు హీరోగా యాక్ట్ చేయబోతున్నారని చాలా థ్రిల్లింగ్ గా ఉంది ఈ న్యూస్ ఏదైతే ఉందో. విలన్ గా చేశారు అదే అంటే సింగంలో, ఇప్పుడు హీరోగా చేయబోతున్నారు. హౌ యు ఆర్ ఫీలింగ్?
It feels very speechless, but at the same time, it's a very big responsibility also. Suddenly, I feel that, this was always my dream to become a hero someday. Although I started off in the movies as a villain, though hero and a villain nowadays, people love every actor very equally. I mean, they like, but to play a full-fledged main lead role, that was always a dream at the back of my head. बट अभी ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है जहाँ पर एक फिल्म में एक विलन बनने के बाद हिंदी में उसके एडाप्टेशन में हीरो का ऑफ़र किया गया, तो बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी भी है. बिकॉज ओरिजिनल में सूर्या सर ने इतनी ज़बरदस्त भूमिका निभाई थी, इतने ज़बरदस्त रोल निभाया था, एंड ऑलरेडी पीपल लव हिम लाइक क्रेजी. आई लव हिम लाइक क्रेजी एज अ सिंगम, एज अ दुरई सिंगम कैरेक्टर. अब उसको निभाना यहाँ सर इन हिंदी वर्जन में, तो एक्साइटेड भी हूँ, नर्वस भी हूँ, मगर बहुत ज़्यादा पैशनेट और चार्ज्ड अप भी हूँ.
Okay, so when it comes to your personal life, like I have seen TEDx of yours.
Right.
So the struggles you have faced from beginning of your childhood, no? So it is like very inspiring to us.
Thank you.
So it is like how many years you have stepped up into in the industry? Like,
so initial career started off as a pilot. I was a pilot before.
Yeah.
Uske baad when I thought that I want to become an actor, I came on television. So a lot of my viewers from Telugu speaking audience, they know I did a show called Mahabharatam on Star Plus, right?
That was a huge hit.
That was a very huge hit. So nobody can imagine that this face played the blind king Dhritarashtra's character. And that happened after 129 auditions, rejections everywhere. Suddenly the first role that I got was Dhritarashtra. So of course, it all started from there with 5 years of television experience. Did many TV roles, played Parshuram, played Hanuman, all mythological shows. So identity was hidden because of these mythological characters. But I experienced Sanskrit बहुत साफ हो गई, and Telugu is similar to Sanskrit.
Similar to, yeah.
Which is why Telugu became easier for me later on. तो वहाँ से शुरू हुआ है हमारा करियर. फिर 5 साल वो हो गए, 11 टीवी सीरियल्स हो गए, and then this is 10th film that I'm shooting now. It's quite a long journey. Yeah.
Okay. So how it feels like you have seen so many struggles. After that, you are in a good platform and you are very successful man. So how it feels right now?
It feels it's the beginning of the success. Success is still not. I have not still acquired the success I am dreaming of. Every day is a new challenge. Every project is a new challenge. So I do. जब कोई प्रोजेक्ट साइन करता हूँ मैं, कोई भी फिल्म, मैं उसको ऐसे करता हूँ कि शायद वो मेरा जिंदगी का आखिरी काम है. तो वो डर भी रहता है कि पता नहीं अगला काम क्या करूँगा. बट डर के साथ साथ, वो डर के साथ साथ एक पैशन रहने की वजह से सोचता हूँ कि ये काम को ऐसे करूँगा कि यही काम मेरे लिए दूसरा काम लेकर आए. ऐसे तो ऐसे ही करते करते जेन्युइन ऑनेस्टी के साथ आई हैव वर्कड, व्हिच आई रियली लव्ड वेरी मच. एंड तो बस ये एक विल पावर से ही मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच पाया, नहीं तो मुझे भी नहीं पता कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. तो सक्सेस अभी शुरू होनी है एक्चुअली में. आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड टेकिंग ऑफ.
So I have seen your Instagram.
Yes,
so I have found so many interesting pictures over there.
Right.
So I'm going to show you a few pictures.
Achha.
You have to answer behind that.
Okay.
Behind the picture.
Okay, ji.
Okay. So I found this picture very interesting and very cute. You are playing with a toy and it is a reality.
Right.
So
टॉय तो मुझे बचपन में मिला गया था, और वो मेरा बहुत फेवरेट टॉय था, एज यू कैन सी. दिन भर उसी के ऊपर था. मगर रियलिटी वाली जो हॉर्स राइडिंग की फोटो है, वो तेलुगु फिल्म विनर बोल के मैंने की, साई धर्म तेज सर के साथ. तो उसकी शूटिंग इस्तांबुल में हुई थी. तो वो ये मेरी एंट्री सीक्वेंस शूट हो रही थी इस्तांबुल में 6 डिग्री टेम्परेचर, एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड टेम्परेचर, एंड उसमें मुझे बेयर बॉडी हॉर्स राइडिंग दिखाना था स्लो मोशन में करके. तो हॉर्स पे बैठा कांपते हुए, बट मैं जैसे ही एक्शन हुआ इमीडिएटली हीरोइक एंट्री, जैसे ही कट बोला फिर से. तो ये तब की फोटो है. तो मैंने सोचा कि इसको मैं अपनी चाइल्डहुड फोटो के साथ मिक्स कर देता हूँ, बिकॉज पैशन बचपन का आज भी वही है, सेम हॉर्स राइडिंग आज भी मुझे बहुत प्यार है हॉर्स राइडिंग से. या दैट्स द स्टोरी बिहाइंड.
Tell us about Sai Dharam Tej.
Sai Dharam Tej, I just worked with him once in Winner, of course. Very passionate, dynamic. At that time, even he was starting, and now he's a very successful star, of course. Again, from a very power family, and he has a natural flair of acting into him. And with what I have seen after that, his acting has enhanced way more than what it was earlier. So I liked working with him. Very calm, down to earth guy. I liked working with him.
Okay, next picture.
Ah,
This is like heart touching.
Heart-touching.
So nobody will expect you are this much connected to our
Animals.
nativity
Yeah.
and everything.
from my native place. So a lot of people don't know that I stay in Adilabad. Adilabad is
Adilabad?
Adilabad, which is in Telangana, at least approximately 4 hours from Hyderabad. It's on the border of Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, right? So Adilabad, I was there with my cousins, relatives. We were sitting. We were eating some snacks in the evening. I saw a cow approaching. I couldn't resist the way she was looking cute. And she came just and sat in my lap. Like she kept her face in my lap. And I just held her, hugged her, and then we fed her, of course, some food and all that. And then we started some photo session, and Valentine's Day was coming.
Okay.
And I'm a single guy. So
Seriously? No, we can't believe.
you can't, what to do where people don't believe, and that's why people think that I'm dating, therefore they don't approach. So I made that cow my Valentine. We just kissed, we just hugged each other. Very cute picture that was, yeah.
Okay, what is cow to you in your personal life? So how important it is to treat a cow in a...
For me, we treat a cow as a goddess, so, right? We treat a Kamdhenu guy is one goddess of cow that हमारे घर में हम रखते हैं, हमने रखा है. So Kamdhenu cow was Lord Parshuram's, in the Lord Parshuram's house. So Parshuram's father, Jamdagni, he used to keep Kamdhenu Gai. And Kamdhenu Gai is, we worship cow as, as a very holy animal.
Yeah.
So I have a very special attachment with animals like cows, dogs, cats, like crazy, yes.
Next picture.
Gajini.
So you have written so much connectivity. We can see that so much connectivity over there.
Right. Pradeep Rawatji. Very close to me. I have worked with him in 2-3 movies. This movie was from Acharya America Yatra. So he's played my father in that movie.
Yeah.
Very dynamic person. This movie we were doing in Malaysia shooting. So, of course, I rarely get to meet him. In Bombay, we stay very close by to each other. But we never met. We have only met on the set. And this was at that time as a memory because I never had a picture with him. And I was always wanting to have a picture with him because he's a very powerful actor, very dominating actor.
What is that one thing you like about him most?
His screen presence, the way he can just dominate the screen with his eyes, as Gajini, Mukesh Rishi sir, these guys, But specifically him, people love him as Gajini because he played that original Gajini but if you meet him in person, he's extremely down to earth and he's a very funny man. He'll make you laugh like crazy. So I share a very special bond with him today. It's taken from the Malaysia.
Very nice. And I have a doubt, why all the villains in real life, they are very sweet, calm and funny?
So what do you expect us to be the real villainous characters in real
No,
also?
not actually, but everybody have that question. When we meet a villain, and you are like very cute and very
thank you.
chill type boy. So when we see on screen, you are like, whoa.
Complete
What
different.
this guy is doing.
In Singham
like,
3, I'm hitting a woman, I'm hitting Shruti
oh my
in the
god,
film.
that is very
In the
terrifying.
film, all of that, of course. But that is all acting and that's just a part, that just gives us some perimeter to play around. But while doing also, we feel, this is so negative. I mean, I don't have to do this, but then I have to because of this. But I know that, if I do that now, and if people hate my character, which means I've done a better job. So it's better you do it.
Yeah. And when you are playing a negative role, like a villain
Right.
kind of characters, that will hit your mind, like that will disturb you. You have to carry all for the film. You have to live in the skin of that character,
Right,
right?
right.
So that affects you.
When I was doing Mahabharat that time, my character also got a little negative sometimes. That time though, I was living that character Dhritarashtra, because 2 years I was literally trying to act blind, and so we would, when I was taught acting, how to do and all that, we were taught how to do get into method acting. Method acting is a form where you are in the character serious all the day. If there is a sad scene in the evening, I will be sad the whole day, just so that I can present that sadness very well in front of the camera. So when I was playing Dhritarashtra, of course, it takes a piece of me. But when I do negative roles now, especially in Telugu, it doesn't affect me anything. For me, it is like just the character in front of the camera. But the moment director says cut, I become Thakur Anup Singh again. Because you're fond of people like Ravi Teja and Surya sir. So when you are sitting with them, what you will get any negative vibes? You know, it's so positive people out there. Yeah. So it doesn't affect anymore. now.
Allu Arjun.
Oh, this picture. This picture was taken on the last day of our shooting,
Okay.
of my shooting. My portions were getting wrapped up for Na Peru Surya.
How many days did you shoot that?
I shot almost 2-3 months in between gaps. But that
So
was
you
the
would
last.
have most connection with all
Most
of
connections.
the team.
I've shot, most of my scenes are with the stars out there, the main lead, of course. With Allu Arjun Garu, I got to spend a lot of time on the set, of course. And with whatever I showed him, my skills, gymnastics and all, he was very impressed, because he was himself very flexible. He used to do gymnastics once upon a time. So I didn't had a picture memory with him. Never have. You know, I wanted to use that picture memory during the promotion of the film directly, so that people should get to know that I am in the film. Otherwise, normally I don't really put pictures till the promotion of the movie. So this was that last final hug picture where he said, "You did an excellent job. I'm proud of you." And we hugged each other, and till date we've not met, but I've only seen. And then Buttabamma, Buttabamma, that song I saw the next. That was an amazing song. So directly from that Na Peru Surya character to that romantic hero he transformed
Transformation.
in the next film, that is quite remarkable. Yeah.
Okay. Superb. Any dialogue do you remember from that film?
From Na Peru Surya. I remember one parking basement scene where it was my first day of the scene, and Allu Arjun sir was there. The first day of the scene, first shooting with Allu Arjun. So I had to be very serious, and I had to tell him, looking in his eyes, straight గా point కి వస్తున్నా, నీకు బార్డర్కి వెళ్ళడం ఇంపార్టెంట్, నాకు ఈ పని స్మూత్గా ఇవ్వడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. చాలు, నేను అది మర్చిపోతా, నువ్వు ఇది మర్చిపోతా పోగే బార్డర్లు తట్టుకుంటావేమో కానీ ఇక్కడ పుట్టే వేడి మాత్రం తట్టుకోలేవో బుల్కి इसका पकड़ लेता हूं मैं सर जोर से.
How cute! Oh my God.
So this is the dialogue. So when I saw, and he's standing right here, so I had to hold him here on the neck. Ikkada putte vedi matru tattukolevam, and then the director says cut. Allu Arjun says, good job. Thank you, sir. So immediately when the cut was there, sir, I was like that. So very, very funny, very cute. I love the language because I dub in my own voice. So that's why I have to learn the language. People think that, dubbing artist somebody else does. No, it's very difficult. So on one point, I am saying the dialogue very angry, looking at the eyes, right? लेकिन at the back of my mind, मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि कौन से पेज पे वो कौन सा लाइन है. So that is
What he
acting.
does in school,
So it's
homework
हाँ,
like that,
so
no
मुझे हमेशा
exams.
लगता है जैसे बोर्ड एग्जाम्स चालू हैं.
We remember the pages and lines.
Exactly.
Like
So यहाँ पर हीरो के साथ मेरा गुस्से में हूँ, expression is like this, but at the back of my mind, कौन से पेज पे कौन सा लाइन चल रहा है.
This is
It's like two
hilarious.
Anoops are working. One Anoop is looking behind and watching, अच्छा हाँ, and somebody is saying, and I have to see the lines angrily. And you have to say it in a flow. Acting performance is like that. You have to say it in a flow. You can't take unnecessary pauses also.
Yeah.
So
Timing is very important.
when I get the lines, first thing I do is get the meaning. Write it in English or Hindi. So get the mood right. then full night I have to memorize the lines because it's easy to memorize in our own mother tongue. In Hindi, English is fine. But how to say that in Telugu, the tongue twisting words, right? That is very important, right? Even in Khiladi now, you'll see one page dialogues I have said it nicely,
Oh.
very nicely.
And your plus point is your voice.
The voice.
Modulation and the
मैं
bass
चाहता हूँ
voice
मैं
is.
चाहता हूँ कि मेरी आवाज रजिस्टर हो जब आंखें बंद करके
Yeah.
सुने मेरी आवाज तो लगे
Even
हाँ
we don't see the visual, we can see.
you should recognize that it's Anup speaking.
Yeah.
That is what I want because when we close eyes today and when we hear Amitabh Bachchan sir speaking, automatically we know, Arey, it's Amitabh Bachchan sir or Amrish Puri sir. So I want to register that voice in the audience. That's why I dub in Kannada, in Tamil. In Kannada, in Yajmana movie, I dubbed in Kannada. In Tamil, full Tamil movie Singham 3, I dubbed in my voice, standing 12 hours, whole day. Tamil was so tongue twisting, so tongue twisting. I took 1 week while taking shower to eating food, I was saying the dialogue so that I could break my rhythm. On the first day of the shooting, when I came, Savya Patadilea, what if the Panitraka, Nina Panitraka, Pata second Trencher, you know, the Satu Duko, Pantry, and Kudumata Motama finish Pana, Pano. I go, Surya sir. That was crazy.
Super.
Thank you.
Okay, my next image. So
now
everybody is looking forward for this film
Right.
and your role,
Right.
how it's going to be.
So this picture we took 2 years ago at Ramoji Film City.
This was happened 2 years ago.
No, this photo we took.
Photo. Okay.
Because I had long hair na that time.
Yeah.
I was shooting this film called Udgharsha. That was my first film as a hero in Telugu and Tamil. Udgharsha, very good film. But I was shooting some portions in Ramoji Film City, and somebody told me Ravi Teja Garu is just packed up and he's change कर रहे हैं वो, तो आप मिल सकते हैं करके. तो मैं उनके वैनिटी के पास पहुंचा, उनके मैनेजर को बोला कि उनको बोलो जाते वक्त मुझसे मिले, मैं आया हूँ मिलने के लिए. वो जस्ट उतरे और मुझे लगा अब मुझे इंट्रोडक्शन देना पड़ेगा कि सर नेनू ठाकुर अनूप सिंह, आई एम एन एक्टर. I've seen you, Rogue movie, Singham 3, I know, I've seen you. I felt so good. And I got, thank you, sir. Well, Arey, we'll work very soon. Don't worry, we'll work very soon. We'll work. Cut to 2 years later, same place, we are shooting for Khiladi.
Wow.
That's how so this picture was taken that time.
And this thing was also repeated with Puri Jagannath sir also, right?
How I got Puri Jagannath sir's film, Rogue, it was very interesting. महाभारत खत्म हुई 2014 में. मुझे ये था कि मुझे तेलुगु फिल्मों में अब काम करना है आगे. बिकॉज मुझे इमीडिएट क्या करना था, मुझे यही था कि मुझे फिल्मों में आना है. एंड वेयर डू आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम? लेट्स गो फ्रॉम तेलुगु फिल्म्स, तमिल फिल्म्स, लेट्स गेट इनटू रीजनल फिल्म्स फर्स्ट, देन वी कैन थिंक ऑफ हिंदी फिल्म्स व्हेन वी गेट दैट टाइम. तो एल्यूमिनियम फैक्ट्री गच्चीबोली में पुरी जगन्नाथ सर, मुझे किसी ने बताया कि टेम्पर मूवी की शूटिंग कर रहे थे जूनियर एनटीआर सर के साथ. मैं वहाँ पर पहुँचा, क्राउड था बहुत सारा. उस क्राउड में मैं अपना पोर्टफोलियो लेके, चश्मा लेके खड़ा हो गया कि सर, बोले कौन है पुरी जगन्नाथ सर? मेरे को पता नहीं है, आई डोंट नो हाउ ही लुक्स.
Okay.
उस टाइम पे सिर्फ 2 ही नाम सुने थे मैंने, पुरी जगन्नाथ सर एक एस राजमौली सर. नाउ एस राजमौली सर वाज ऑलरेडी शूटिंग बाहुबली 1 एट दैट टाइम. तो मुझे पता था कि बाहुबली में तो कास्टिंग कुछ होगी नहीं, अभी 1 के तो हो चुकी है. बोले पुरी जगन्नाथ अगेन एक्शन फिल्म डायरेक्टर, बहुत ज़बरदस्त है सुना मैंने. मैंने कहा चलो जाते हैं मिलने. मुझे किसी ने बोला कि वहाँ है, तो आई वेंट देयर. क्राउड में खड़ा हूँ, किसी ने बोला कि पुरी जगन्नाथ सर आ रहे हैं. मैंने कौन है पुरी जगन्नाथ सर, कहाँ है? तो एक वैनिटी से एकदम सिंपल से कोई ब्लैक टी शर्ट, ब्लैक पैंट, ट्राउजर, ट्रेडमार्क है उनका. ही इज सिटिंग सिंपली एंड ही इज जस्ट डायरेक्टिंग, बट हिज ऑरा वाज लाइक, ओह दिस इज पुरी जगन्नाथ सर. एंड इन द क्राउड आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट हिम लाइक, यू नो, विद लॉट ऑफ होप्स कि wow, okay, this is shooting, okay, that's junior NTR shooting, oh lovely, okay. So, and I'm like,
You wanted
so the
to...
manager couldn't ask me to, you know, get inside to meet him. I'm like, it will be wrong on shooting set to go and meet him, showing my portfolio. लेकिन मैंने उस टाइम पर अपने आप को बोला, कहने का बहुत जल्द this man will direct me. वो मुझे डायरेक्ट करेंगे एक दिन.
You had that.
I had that. मैंने अपने अंदर सोच लिया. Cut to, फिर मुझे पता चला कि ये शूट कर रहे हैं गोवा में. तो मैंने अपनी फ्लाइट पकड़ी गोवा, खुद केस से. आई वेंट टू गोवा. आई फाउंड आउट कि कहाँ शूटिंग कर रहे हैं. तो शूटिंग खत्म होने के बाद जिस होटल में रुके हैं, मैंने वो पता किया. फिर उनके होटल के रिसेप्शन पे बैठा रहा मैं, जब तक वो आते नहीं. फिर वो आए, किसी ने मुझे मिलाया कि ये अनूप सिंह है, बॉम्बे से आपको मिलने आए हैं सर। मैंने अपना काम दिखाया उनके सामने। मैंने कहा सर आपको 2-3 महीनों से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ,
Okay.
आई वॉन्ट टू वर्क विद यू। ही सॉ, ही सेड गुड वर्क, देयर इज समथिंग इन माई माइंड, आई लेट यू नो। ठीक है, एक हफ्ते बाद मुझे लगा इतना बड़ा आदमी भूल भी जाएंगे, तो आई वेंट डिप्रेस्ड घर पे कि इतना दूर से चेस कर रहा हूँ, कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं होगा शायद। एक हफ्ते बाद मुझे कॉल आया प्रोडक्शन से कि पुरी सर वॉज टेलिंग अबाउट समथिंग, रिमेंबर, हाँ, ही कॉल्ड यू फॉर एन ऑडिशन, कम टू हैदराबाद। नेक्स्ट डे आई फ्लू टू हैदराबाद। स्क्रिप्ट हिंदी में रखी हुई थी, आई गेव द ऑडिशन। ही सॉ, ही वेंट इनसाइड टू जस्ट टॉक टू सम पीपल। फिर वहाँ पे तेलुगु में स्क्रिप्ट थी, तेलुगु का भी मेमोराइज कर लिया ऑन द स्पॉट।
Oh my
On
God,
the
you
spot.
did
I didn't know
Telugu.
anything what it I was saying, but memorized it.
Okay.
उनके आने से पहले एज साइको के रोल के लिए आई गेव फुल तेलुगु में। He came back. He said, "You did in Telugu?" हाँ सर, स्क्रिप्ट रखी थी। I thought you will like it. So
Okay, you just scanned it.
he went inside, spoke to some people. He said, "I got my psycho."
Wow.
That night, I signed the film Rogue. And the next few days later on, same set of गच्चीबोली एल्यूमिनियम फैक्ट्री जहाँ पर क्राउड में मैं खड़ा था, वहाँ पर पुरी जगन्नाथ सर सेम फॉर्म में कम्स फ्रॉम द वैनिटी सेट्स। बट अभी जूनियर एनटीआर पिछले साल शूट कर रहे थे, अब मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ वहाँ पे। एंड व्हाइल आई एम शूटिंग, फिर वहाँ शॉट खत्म होने के बाद जब कुर्सी पे बैठा, वैसे ही क्राउड जमा था देखने के लिए। उस क्राउड में मैंने 1 साल पहले का अनूप सिंह को देखा, जो पोर्टफोलियो लेके खड़ा था वहाँ पर। एंड दैट वाज अ नॉस्टैल्जिक फीलिंग कि 1 साल पहले वहाँ पे खड़ा रह के मैंने बोला कि 1 साल में दिस मैन विल डायरेक्ट मी। एंड वो मेरा 1 साल पहले का अनूप सिंह मुझे यहाँ दिख रहा है, और 1 साल बाद का अनूप सिंह से वो देख के स्माइल कर रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है। मैंने कहा दैट्स इट। एंड देन पुरी सर सेड यू विल गो वेरी लॉन्ग बिकॉज एंड पुरी सर इज वेरी, हिज हैंड इज वेरी लकी, ही हैज लॉन्च्ड people, whoever he has launched,
Yeah.
they have
Everybody is
done
successful.
very good with them. Whether it is Prabhas sir, Kangana Ranaut, or a lot of people, Disha Patni, they are all launched by Puri sir, first film in Telugu.
He'll use the overall acting from them.
Yes,
He'll grab it.
Yes. So that was my first starting point. So Rogue se till now, by God's grace and by audience love, I'm working.
So that's what I'm going to say. Ravi Teja sir and Puri Jagannath sir, both instance was same, right?
Both instances was the same, correct.
Yeah,
correct.
that's what.
With Ravi Teja sir also, 2 years ago, when I clicked the picture, Ravi Teja sir said, we will work in future.
Puri Jagannath sir also.
Puri
He
sir
didn't
also,
say,
no,
but
I followed him. But after 2 years, we worked on the same set, same place where we took the picture. Or when I saw Puri sir. So when I decide something, जो मैं सोचता हूँ, वो मुझे मिलता ही है, मैं करता ही हूँ, कुछ भी हो जाए। But
So what are other projects you are looking for?
right now, my
this-
complete focus is the Singham 3 Hindi remake I want to make, because Shri Jayantilal Gada ji is the Pen Movies, the owner of Pen Movies. वो खुद लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। उनका बहुत आशीर्वाद और एक हिसाब से ब्लेसिंग रहा है मेरे ऊपर, तो एक जिम्मेदारी भी है मेरे ऊपर बहुत बड़ी। सो आई एम नर्वस ऑल्सो, बट माई कंप्लीट फोकस इज ऑन finishing Khiladi first. Now till 9th March my shooting will be over, and full 1 month I will be training for that film to get into the role of the cop Singham. Then I will start. So I'm completely charged up, and I don't know what I'll do, how I'll do, but I just know that I have to do it, and I have to make the audience fall in love.
We are looking forward for
Thank
your
you.
outfit and how you are going to look.
For the first time in police, I was imagining myself कि मैं पुलिस की वर्दी में कभी आया नहीं, in your uniform I never played. I've always seen Salman Khan sir, Ravi Teja garu in Crack movie also for that matter, or even Ajay Devgan sir or Ranveer Singh in Simba. So the first time I'll be wearing something like that. So I'm really excited to know how do I.
Who is the opposite character? Who is playing villain character to you?
They are finalizing everything. So first announcement what they have made is that we are doing this with him, with the boy. Now slowly they are finalizing. As they finalize the star cast,
You don't know right now.
I only know about my character.
Okay.
Rest is up to sir and the director sir, whoever comes on.
Heroine? Who is the heroine?
Heroine also they are finalizing now. So this will be finalized in a month's time mostly. Then we will start with workshop and shooting, principal shooting. 3 months of shooting is required in Bombay and Goa. So we'll be shooting that completely, and probably this year end we will be releasing it mostly.
Okay. My next picture, this is like very cool. So what is this?
This was recently
So
for
you are
Valentine's
conveying
Day.
some message to somebody.
Conveying nothing, just it's
It look like.
it's for this magazine for Valentine's special.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's for Valentine's special. I thought it's better to hold the rose in the mouth than the usual. So when
So here you have mentioned baby. Who is your
that's
baby?
a song lyrics. People think it's some girlfriend, but there's no girlfriend.
I have
It's-
seen all the comments
It's just
also.
a song lyrics, nothing else.
They are tagging some other babies over there.
I don't know. And they're telling me, sir, who's your baby? I'm like, who? And my mother is asking, who's your baby? I'm like, you're my baby.
So this getup is like very nice.
Oh my God.
So
Okay. That was right after Mahabharat, before I won Mr. India competition. 70 kilometers from Bombay, there is this set where I used to go for this role. It's called as Akbar Birbal बोल के एक शो है, बड़ा कॉमेडी शो है, बिग मैजिक चैनल पे आता था.
okay.
मुझे महाभारत के बाद कुछ कॉमेडी ट्राई करना था बिकॉज महाभारत वाज वेरी सीरियस, बहुत रोया
wanted
था.
some
माय किड्स आर
transformation.
डाइंग इन द वॉर, तो बहुत रोया था मैं महाभारत में. सो नाउ आई वांटेड टू चेंज. सो आई डिड दिस रोल ऑफ मुल्ला दो प्याजा व्हिच वाज अकबर के नवरत्नों में से एक था करीब, बिरबल के नेक्स्ट टू बिरबल. So I did this role. It was very comedy kind of, and comedy was new for me. So कैसा comedy मतलब कि जहाँ पर मैं seriously बोल रहा हूँ और seriously ही मेरा पचका हो जा रहा और उसमें मैं react भी नहीं कर सकता हूँ, मेरी insult हो गई तो और public हंस रही है ऐसा, तो very serious comedy.
Serious comedy.
हाँ, so I did that for 3 months. So this was taken during that time.
And during that period, you are making love with your parrot, right? I have seen some video.
Kissing a parrot.
Kissing your
I told
parrot.
you, I'm a very big animal lover.
Okay.
A very big animal lover. Any animal that you give me, even if it bites me, I will still love. So I had a dog bite. This cut
That
that
one
you see
is that. Oh.
is actually a dog bite. A Doberman bit my entire face off. But after that, I fell in love more with the dogs. It's like that.
Okay. So this played major role in your career,
I was
right?
a pilot before. Yes.
So
yes.
pilot journey, how was it? Okay.
So this was during the training in US when I became at the age of 19. बन गया था, आ गया था, जस्ट ज्वाइन करने वाला था एयरलाइन एक, लेकिन वो रिसेशन आने से सब कुछ बंद हो गया. तो आई हैड 2 choices. या तो मैं घर पे बैठूँ वेट करूँ, या तो फिर आई स्टार्ट विद समथिंग न्यू. टिल द मीन टाइम, जब तक एयरलाइन सेक्टर ठीक नहीं होता, ये तब की बात है.
Okay. And this one, you know, how sweet you are, such a lovely human being.
Thank you.
So, what was the thing that grabbed you to do that? How did they approach you, or you have seen that issue?
No, so they didn't approach me. I usually sometimes once a while go on my own. I visit certain patients. I do if I have to. This was in Bangalore in some hospital, Mahavir Jain Hospital. There was this really cute baby who had seen Mahabharat.
Oh,
And
is she your fan?
Yeah, you can say that.
Okay.
तो किसी ने मुझे बताया स्टाफ ने that she is a big Mahabharat fan and she is recovering from a disease. So I thought I'll make this special for her.
Wow.
So I went, I loved her, kissed her, and we took this beautiful picture. And she was very happy, and that was the happiest day of her life.
Okay.
तो मेरे लिए ये ज़्यादा important है.
A small fan girl who watched Mahabharata is a big thing for her.
For her, for me also, because you don't make fans just like that otherwise. Let me tell you, these are very genuine fans, and this is what I worked for, na. I always wanted that I should be known, I should be loved by the people. अब जब मिल रहा है ये सब, तो फिर मैं पीछे क्यों हटूं? This is what I loved. This is what I always wanted. मैंने 12 घंटे खड़े रह के फोटो खिंचवाए हैं एक पूरे दिन में. 1 किलोमीटर की लाइन थी. एक को भी मैंने घर नाराज जाने नहीं दिया. भले ही मैं थका हुआ था, मैं घर पे भी गया तो ऐसे ही स्माइल करते ही गया घर पे. मतलब मम्मी भूख लगी, खाना दो. बोले ऐसा हंस क्यों रहा है? बोले मेरा मुंह गाली ऐसा हो गया.
Oh, sweet.
ऐसा.
Anushka Shetty.
My favorite picture. The upper picture was taken Hyderabad airport पे.
Okay.
सूर्या सर और मेरी फ्लाइट एक साथ ही हमारी थी. और अनुष्का के साथ इट वाज ऑन हैदराबाद एयरपोर्ट ओनली. वी वाज शूटिंग द सीक्वेंस. अनुष्का जी और मेरा कभी कोई डायरेक्ट सीन नहीं था. But somebody told her that he's playing the antagonist, and she was at that time shooting for Bahubali 2. So I was anyways very excited to see her in Bahubali 2 because one they didn't show her much, na.
Yeah.
Of course. So both those pictures were taken on that day with Surya Garu and Anushka Shetty. That film just changed my life. Singham 3, I just did out of nowhere. Mr. World जीत के आया. That my role of Vittal Prasad in the original actually कोई Hollywood से कोई English actor करने वाला था. उसको ला रहे थे because NRI दिखाना था. And Surya Garu saw my interview somewhere as Mr. World, where I was dressed in a nice blazer coat and as
Full hi-fi
So he's like, this guy looks like the character Vitthal Prasad. You go and meet him.
approach.
So director Hari sir came to Bombay to meet me. We met, we took a picture. The next day I know I was shooting with Surya sir and Shruti Hassan and everything. That film changed my life so much. It's been 4 years since we shot that movie. Till date, Singham 3 people know. So that's that moment.
So how many films you do? Singham is like favorite
Mahabharat-
film for everybody.
Mahabharat, Singham and Rogue movie and Winner.
Yeah,
For
Winner
these 4 movies, I am like, very well loved and known, especially in Hyderabad and everywhere in Telangana.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you had to play, I came to know you love Bahubali very much.
Very
Through pictures and posts, we came to know.
With the background music also I put sometimes.
Yeah. So if you have to choose one role, which character? Rana's character or Prabhas character?
Prabhas's sir's character, first preference, because I visualize myself as that Bahubali character all the time.
Oh.
And I see his walk and the way he walks. Though nobody can replace Prabhas sir, because the way he's done it is like extraordinary. But the only regret that I have of not being a part of Bahubali, because that I wish I could be a part to do at least, the Bhallal Dev's character, if at all. But then both of these actors are so brilliant, Rana sir and Prabhas. They have done it so well that I cannot complain that I wanted to be in the film. Because other than both of them, the central characters was, of course, Shivagami ji and Katappa, right? And all of these are excellent actors. But given an opportunity, I would have definitely loved to play the lead character. Yeah.
Prabhas character.
Yeah. And I will in future someday, you'll see. Because historic and horse riding, sword fighting. I'm a Rajput, right?
Yeah.
So my origin is from Udaipur, Rajasthan. We are all Kshatriya warriors. So this horse riding and sword fighting and all, it's very easy for me, and I'll enjoy that. So that is my thing. So when I see a historic movie, I imagine immediately myself. So I was imagining myself as that character of Bahubali. Yeah. So I think yeah.
Okay. So tell us something about your family. They are very encouraging from your childhood, right? Whatever you wanted to do, they gave space
They gave
at
space.
some point.
Right.
So what you have to say?
इनिशियली उन लोगों को लगता था कि पायलट बनाया इसको, यूएस भेजा, ट्रेनिंग करके आए, अब अचानक एक्टिंग में कैसे इसको जाने का है, एकदम फील्ड चेंज ना. तो इनिशियली दे वर हेजिटेंट, दे वर लाइक क्या मतलब नया शौक अचानक से एक्टिंग करना है मेरे को, टीवी पे आना है मेरे को. तो दे वर कंफ्यूज्ड कि वी मेड यू अ पायलट, यू शुड बी स्टिकिंग टू द पायलट्स. एंड ऊपर से 129 ऑडिशंस, आई वाज रिजेक्टेड एवरीवेयर इनिशियली. Every other TV show I was trying. Forget about movies. Movies का तो पता भी नहीं था. फिर फाइनली जब महाभारत आई, तब मेरे मॉम डैड को पहले यकीन हुआ कि एक्चुअली ही कैन एक्ट ऑल्सो वेरी वेल. ही हैज़ अ फ्यूचर इन एक्टिंग. फर्स्ट बिलीव यू हैव टू मेक योर पेरेंट्स बिलीव इन योर विजन, और देन द वर्ल्ड विल बिलीव. अच्छा, टीवी पे करते करते फिर मुझे लगा कि बॉडी चेंज करना चाहिए. आई शुड गेट इनटू फिटनेस, बॉडी बिल्डिंग. तो मिस्टर इंडिया, मिस्टर एशिया कंपटीशन के हिसाब से आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग माय बॉडी. अगेन माय पेरेंट्स गॉट कंफ्यूज्ड. आप तेरे को एक्टर किया बना तू, अब अचानक बॉडी बिल्डर क्या बन रहा है, दूसरा फील्ड फिटनेस लाइन कौन सा चला गया तू, तो एक जगह नहीं रुक रहा है. कौन सा एक्टर ऐसा बॉडी बिल्डर बन के रहता है. तो आई सेड वेट एंड वॉच, आई नो देयर विल बी समथिंग इन इट. कट टू उन्होंने देखा फिटनेस लाइन में कि वो मिस्टर वर्ल्ड में चला गया, थाईलैंड 47 कंट्रीज को मैं हराया वहाँ पर. तो मेरा एक रूटीन बहुत फेमस हुआ वहाँ पर. और जब 1000 लोग वहाँ पर खड़े रह के सैल्यूट कर रहे थे इंडिया को, और मैं इंडिया का फ्लैग ऊपर लेके जन गण मन चालू था, माई फादर सॉ दैट. तो ही सेड ही इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. कट टू मूवीज में आ गया. सो देन दे स्टॉप्ड डाउटिंग. दे आर लाइक, ये जो भी कर रहा है,
They came,
he knows,
they are like
he
very
knows what he's
confident
doing.
about
He
you.
knows what he's doing. We should support him. That's when they start. So you need to show them how passionate you are for this. Of course, 100%. Parent support is the most. Parent support, your brother support. My brother is also there, Arjun Singh, Bhabi, all of these. So the central people in the family, first they need to be in your favor. So I got their support slowly and steadily. But now they are like, all my decisions are taken by the family, and then I do it.
Okay. And also you are a playback singer. We'll end up our interview with a beautiful song.
तू ही रे तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं आजा रे यूं ही तड़पाना तू मुझको चांद रे आज दिल की जमीन पे तू इन सांसों का देखो तुम पागलपन के आए नहीं इन्हें चैन मुझसे ये बोली मैं राहों में तेरी अपनी बिछा दूँ ये रे इन ऊंचे पहाड़ों से जा दे दूंगा मैं अगर तू ना आए कहीं तुम उधर जानो उम्मीद मेरी जो तोड़ो इधर ये चाह छोड़ मैं मौत आ जिंदगी मेरे हाथों में दे दिया रे something like that. Thank
Take
you.
a bow.
Thank you.
Wow.
you.
You stole everybody's
Oh,
heart, I
yes,
think.
yes.
So thank you so much, Anup.
Thank you.
We are looking for Singham 3
Yes.
as the hero in a
Absolutely.
nice outfit, police uniform.
Thank you so much, yaar.
So
I'm very
thank
excited.
you so
Thank you
much.
so
I
much.
wish you very, very good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best. Love you. Hi viewers. This is your very own Thakur Anup Singh. Please subscribe to TFPC. Stay blessed.